for immediate release. September 4, 2025. Contact, Vision Press Production News Media, VPPNM. Email, visionpress@windstream.net. Subject, Coalport Borough Council rumors dispelled amid growing concerns over governance and funding. Coalport, PA. As of September 4, 2025, Coalport Borough remains without confirmed resignations from Councilors Rick Nardelli or Carol Crewis, despite circulating rumors that both had stepped down to allow the force of 5 to advance a new vision for the borough. On August 26, 2025, speculation surfaced suggesting that Nardelli and Crewis had resigned from the Coalport Borough Council. In response, Vision Press Production News Media, VPPNM, promptly contacted Coalport Borough receiver Daniel Nelson to verify the claims. In written correspondence dated August 27, 2025, at 1:43 p.m., receiver Nelson stated, "As of the moment I hit send on this email, I have not received any written resignation from either Rick Nardelli or Carol Crewis." Receiver Nelson further clarified that even if resignations were received, no filings would proceed with the Court of Common Pleas based solely on email communication. "I will petition when I have enough letters of interest, in writing, of course, from enough qualified electors. It would be up to the court after that." Nelson acknowledged the right of the force of 5 to seek independent legal counsel, but questioned the basis for emergency relief. Given that Coalport has been without a council for 1.5 years now and has been operating with a receivership since December, what emergency circumstances exist that would possibly warrant an injunction issued on an emergency basis? VPPNM has requested a video interview with the force of 5 to explore their proposed plans should they be appointed to the Borough Council through independent legal action. The urgency of the situation is underscored by missed opportunities for state funding. According to State Representative Dallas Kephart, 73rd Legislative District, Coalport Borough failed to apply for infrastructure funding available during the summer of 2025. "I am proud to bring home over $1 million invested in our roads," said Representative Kephart. Coalport Borough was notably absent from the list of recipients. Local voices are amplifying the call for change. Ms. Judy Aoski, a longtime resident, stated, "Things have to change in Coalport, things need to change now, we need a council." Her husband, Scott Aoski, formerly served on the Borough Council. Ms. Aoski emphasized that the absence of leadership is preventing critical matters from being addressed, including funding applications and municipal oversight. VPPNM will continue to monitor developments and provide updates as the situation unfolds.